Hi guys, this is Aldi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will be sharing with you 5 minutes herbal drinks to improve your health. And I wanted to make this video guys to show you that you can still improve your health just by using some budget friendly ingredients, and because I love herbal teas. So for this we're going to need some fresh mint leaves, some turmeric powder, some cinnamon, some fresh ginger, and some lemon if you like. So all you need to do guys is just add the ingredient of your choice into a cup and just pour some fresh boiling water. As you can see, this is really simple, really easy to make, and also inexpensive. So by taking 5 minutes of your time guys can really make a difference into your health. Oh, and I will be sharing with you all the health properties these teas have at the end of the video. So after this step, all you need to do is just cover your cup. Just cover your cup and let it infuse for 5 minutes. And that's it. After 5 minutes, you have a perfect cup of herbal tea ready for you to drink. And you can also add some lemon to the ginger one. It's a really good flavor combination for that one. And also you can add some honey if you like and drink it cold. So all these teas guys have a lot of antioxidants, and they can help you reduce inflammation, they can help you improve your skin, they can help you with the colds, the flu, you can improve your skin, your digestive system. This one, cinnamon, is really good to regulate blood sugar. It's really good. And my favorite one is this ginger tea, which is amazing for weight loss and liquid retention, and also is antibacterial and can help you support your immune system. So I hope you like this video guys. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, because more videos are coming up. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.